Welcome to our Git Basics tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to manage your coding projects efficiently using Git. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to set up a Git repository, track changes, and commit your work. Let's get started. What is Git? Git is a powerful version control system that tracks changes in your code and helps manage different versions of your projects. It enables collaboration by allowing multiple developers to merge their work seamlessly. Think of it as a save button for your code that records every step of your progress. Let's talk about initializing a repository. A repository, or repo, is a container for your project's files and history. To start tracking a project, open your terminal and navigate to your project folder using the command cd path-to-your folder. Once you're in the right location, initialize a Git repository with the command git init. This sets up the repo so Git can start tracking your files. Before committing changes, you need to stage them. Use git add dot to stage all files or git add file name to stage a specific file. You can check what's staged with git status. This helps you prepare the exact changes you want to save. Once your changes are staged, commit them using git commit-m followed by a descriptive message. For example, git commit-m added initial project files. This creates a snapshot of your project's current state.
So let's go ahead and create that GitHub repository. Open your web browser, go to github.com, and then if you don't have a GitHub account, you're going to click sign up, and you're going to go through this setup process here. I already have an account, so I'm going to just sign in, and then we're going to go over here to new, and then you're going to type out a repository name, so Pokemon app. That's going to be mine, and then you can choose a public or private repository, and then we're going to create the repository down here with this link, and then
Once your GitHub repository is created, link it to your local repository by copying the URL and using the command git remote add origin followed by the URL. To share your changes, push them to the GitHub repository using git push-u origin main. This sets up a link between your local branch and the remote branch, making future pushes easier. Polling ensures your local repository is up to date with changes from the remote repository. If your project is for a team, then before you start working, use the command git pull origin main to sync your local files with the latest updates.